before we create the main asset for all these things, how are we going able to do it? Okay, good. So we have missed one point with this document, I think. So before we create this asset under construction, make sure that this company code is assigned to the particular controlling area. No worries, we will do it. So if it is not there for the controlling area, there is no issues, right? So for that, what we need to do is, ma'am, go to the transaction code AS01. Go to the transaction code AS01. Go to the transaction code AS01 and try to create the asset with asset under construction class. Yes, one more asset, so that when it comes to the controlling areas, things and all will be wiped out, right? And in the asset class, you can just take out the asset under constructions things, plant and machinery, asset under constructions. Okay, click on the enter and go to the give the description, ma'am. Give the description. Description is very important. Okay, so just give asset under construction, plant and machinery. Asset under construction, plant and machinery. Same thing, you can just copy down to the particular thing. That is 01.07.2023 is the main capitalization date. Main capitalization date. Okay. Okay, so now just give the time period allocations will be anything. Time period allocations will be and business areas. Yes. And go to the depreciation areas. See here, all of you, no need to give any depreciation keys. Okay, go to the depreciation areas and fill in all required entries fields. So that is the thing. We need to have the cost center things in all. Remove the business area. You do one thing, remove the business areas, go to the directly depreciation areas. Direct depreciation areas. So cost center is a required thing. Okay, can you open this fill in all required entry fields? And cost center is a required thing, and I think so. We have entered this thing for the normal things, right? Can you remember this thing? Go to the screen layout rules, ma'am. Asset master screen layout rules. SPRO reference IMG. Financial accounting. Asset accounting. Organizational structure. No, not this thing. Asset classes and go to the create screen layout rules. What is your screen layout rule, ma'am? Take out that one. Double click on this thing. Okay, so screen layout will come back. Come back. We have created that screen layout rule. Now go to the master data. Come down. There is a master data. Screen layout. A different screen layout for asset master data. We have created it. Remove this thing, ma'am. Oh, good. Here only. And go to the layout. What is the screen layout? Select that thing and go to the field group rules, logical fields groups, and go to the time dependent. Select this thing and go to the fields group rules. Cost entry is an optional entry. Okay. And for asset under construction, what is the screen layout rule that you have taken, ma'am? Take out that thing and go to the logical field groups and give the time dependent data. Go to the this thing. Yes, give it to the optional entry. Go to the save button and save it. Yes, can you give slash n? You do one thing. Give slash n here. No. Give slash n and go to the transaction code AS01 once again. Click on the enter. Yes, give the description. Good. Capitalization date is 01.07.2023. 01.07.2023 and get the depreciation areas. Yes. Now see all of you, it is not, I mean, we cannot calculate the depreciation on the asset under construction. Just simple thing. Okay. So we will transfer the assets values to the depreciations main assets values. Okay. So now for your references only, can you go to the depreciation key, ma'am? Can you go to the depreciation key? Take out the no depreciation and no interest. Yes. Go to the save button and save it. No need to give any useful lives and all. Depreciation key not allowed. Okay. You do one thing. Remove this thing. No issue. No. Remove the total thing. No need to give anything. Click on the enter. I think so. Depreciation key is in a required entry. Okay. What we need to do is go back to this rules, ma'am. Once again. Come back. Go to the general data, ma'am. Select the thing. Go to the field groups. No. Come back. Posting information. Go to the posting information. Capitalization date, deactivations, and come back. No, not the inventory. Go to the transaction code AFA MEMM. Why this depreciation key is in a required entry? Take out your depreciation key, ma'am. Ma'am, can you activate this depreciation key status? 0000. Activate this depreciation status. Go to the save button and save it. I think so. We have got some problem. Come back to this thing. Give the depreciation key. Not allowed. Give /n. And once again, go to the transaction code AS01. Click on the enter. Give the thing. Make required entry. Useful life is a required entry. Why? Give 0. Click on the enter. Okay, you do one thing, ma'am. Go to the screen layout rules once again. Come back. SP Harbor reference financial accounting. No. Asset classes. No. Master records. Directly, you can just go to the master data. Master data and define screen layout rules for the depreciation areas. Okay. Take out the asset and the constructions and go to the logical field groups and go to the general data. No? Take out the general data, go to the field group rules. Description and use. Come back. Come back, no issue. Take out the posting information. Go to the field group rules. Capitalization date, optional. Come back. Go to the time dependent area. Field group rules. I think it is in the depreciation area, right? Come back. Allocations, insurance. Select the allocations and go to the field group rules. Asset group number. Okay, come back. Where can we see the useful life and all? Take out that inventory. Go to the field group rules. No. Come back. Check with that thing. Fifth thing. Fifth leasing and all. Where is the useful life? Come back. Okay, you do one thing. Come back. One step back. One step back. The depreciation areas, we have the depreciation areas, right? Remove this thing. And open the depreciation areas. Define screen layout for asset depreciation areas. Define screen layout rules for asset. No. Here only. Define screen layout for asset depreciation areas. Take out the 2000 depreciation on the sub-asset member level. Take out the 2000. Select the 2000, ma'am. Go to the field group rules. Useful life, it is in a required entry, just put it in optional. Go to the save button and save it. Give slash n and go to the transaction code AS01 once again. Remove all these things. Give all these things. Go to the save button and save it. Okay, take out this asset, and this is asset under construction asset. Okay, all of you. And now what we need to do is we just take out the asset with construction values and all. Okay, so based on that thing only we can able to do it, right? So what we need to do is go to the transaction code F-90 and we just create the asset acquisitions from the vendor. Go to the transaction code F-90. Go to the transaction code F-90. Give 01.07.2023. 01.07.2023. Take out this asset under construction again.
Sir, capitalization date 10/7 icham, sir.
No. For the main asset, I mean for the asset under construction, we have taken that zero. No. Go to the AS02 transaction code. Go to the transaction code AS02. Give session AS02. Give me some time of you. I will just try to close this thing. Remove the capitalization date. Just give the 01.07.2023. Capitalization date is 01.07.2023. Yes. Click on the enter. Go to the save button and save it. Now what we need to do is enter. Give slash n1 and go to the transaction code F-90 and take out the document date 01.07.2023 and posting date is 01.07.2023 and give the document header text purchase asset. And take out the amount. How much amount? That is 50,000 rupees amount. And the posting key is 70. And take out the account as this asset under construction account. Take out the account as asset under construction account. Transaction type is 100. Asset under construction account and take out the transaction type is 100. Yes, go to the save button and save it. No issue. Okay, so now check with this transaction code AW01N. Check with the transaction code AW01N. Now see all of you, do we have any depreciation? No. All right. So that is the main important thing right now we have. And see, for the asset under constructions transferring values and all, we need to have freight charges, right? Okay, do we have any freight charges, ma'am? If we have any freight charges, do we have any freight charges? And go to the give slash in, go to the transaction code FS00. Give slash in, go to the transaction code FS00 and go to the current liabilities. Okay, in the current liabilities, you can just create one freight charges account, ma'am. We have freight clearing account, right? Okay, good, no issue. So with the help of this freight clearing account, okay, what we need to do is line item display and sort key is 0001. Okay, everything is fine, right? Okay, good. So with this freight charges accounts and all, okay, good. So the main important thing is that we need to carry the machine things and all to the main machinery, right? So for that thing, we have to take out the freight charges, right? Okay, to transfer that main values and all, we need to take out the freight charges. Now, what we need to do is, ma'am, go to the transaction code FB01. For that thing, we will going to have, see, to transfer the values from one place to the another place, that is, I mean, to transfer the assets from one place to the another place, and we need to have the freight charges also, right? For that thing, we are posting the document. I will show you how these documents are showing in the particular assets and on, okay, how it will be included. Okay, so in the interview point of view, they will just ask you the questions for installation phases and all, and how you are managing these things. Okay, they will just ask you the questions. Okay, go to the transaction code FB01 now. Do it fast. And here take out the document date 01.07.2023. Or else you do one thing, 03.07.2023, just give it. And I mean, we will transfer the product, right? 03, you can just give 03 and type is SA document and period, you know it very well, 04. Okay, freight charges, you can just give the freight charges and the posting key is a 70. Posting key is a 70 to transfer the assets. Okay, posting key is a 70 and go to the account, try to take out the asset under construction account. And take out the transaction type as 100 and give the amount as how much freight charges? 2,500 rupees, like this. Okay, and the text is freight charges only. Text is freight charges only. And here in the posting key, 70 is the main debit balances. 50. Try to take out the 50. And here you can just try to take out the freight charges. Try to take out the freight charges. Okay. No. It is not the freight charges. It is just about the bank account, and then we can able to add the things with the what we need to do is, ma'am, so in this account you can just try to take out the bank account. Just try to take out the bank account. Just try to take out the bank account. For this posting key, have we selected anything? No. Okay, all right. I think so. Everything is perfect. Click on the enter. give a star and plus, and we need to post the GL accounts for this asset under construction, all of you, and give the value date, ma'am. Click on the enter, go to the document separate option, go to the civil and save it. So now everything is perfect, and take out this document, ma'am. So we have taken the external acquisitions. Okay, for the external acquisition, so is this amount is added to the particular particular main asset or not for the asset under construction? Okay, I think so. We have taken the asset how much 50,000 rupees, right? Okay, and it is not for the freight charges, all of you. It is just for the main asset acquisitions things and all. Ma'am, go to the transaction code AW01N. 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 Go up 2,500. 50,000 plus 2,500 is equal to 52,500. It should show like this. So why it is showing the, and we should get the proper value. Go up. No. Why it is not showing the 52,500 rupees anymore? For the main assets, so we have taken the things right. So it should show the 52,500 rupees. Why it is only showing the 2,500 rupees? Asset under constructions machinery. Can you double click on this first assessment? Why it is only showing? Why it is not showing with the 52,000? No, freight charges is different. Freight charge is different. See, I'm showing you the acquisitions with the general ledger document also, and why it is not added to the 50,500 rupees. Give / once again, go to the transaction code AW01N. See, I'm just showing you through this also you can able to get down the values. Why it is not added to the main asset? It should add to the main asset. Can you come down, ma'am? Can you come down? Here, okay, what is the net book value? So drag it to the downside. This planned value book depreciation. Right side there is a dragging option, right? Drag it. Down. See why it is showing only. Have you changed the date, ma'am? Can you give /n? Can you give /n? Go to the transaction code FB03. Go to the transaction code FB03. Click on the enter. And give fiscal year. On the date of 03.07.2023. Oh no. This 2001 is for the 2500 and 50 is for the 2000 bank. And why it is not added to the book value? It should be added to the net book value. Why it is not adding? Why it is not adding to the net book value? Give slash and once again go to the transaction code AW01 and why it is only showing the 2005. I'm double click on this thing 50,000. Come down, double click on this transactions 50,000. Okay, we got it. Come back. One step back. 01.07.2023. Everything is fine. Acquisition value is 2005. Good. Drag it to the downside, ma'am. See why the net book value is not showing. Drag it to the downside. Only why it is showing 2,500. And it should be added to the 2,500. Okay, so that is the main important thing that we need to do. You do one thing, ma'am. So go to the transaction code FB01 once again. If the journal entry is asset under construction account, it are to freight charges account. Take out the document number 03.07.2023. Give the type as SA. Give the document header text. No, not the freight charges. Remove the freight charges. Yes, just give the normal thing. Installation charges or anything. Posting key is 70, obviously. Go to the account. Huh? Asset and constructions and take out the amount, any amount. 50,000 amount you can just take out now. 50,000 amount you can just take out. And the 50 is the posting key, credit entry, and take out the bank account and give the transaction type as. Don't give any transaction type, just do it. Click on the enter. Installation charges. Click on the enter, give the amount as star and give the text as space. Give the value date and go to the document simulate option and go to the save button and save it. Save it. Okay, give /n. Go to the transaction code AW01N. AW01N. Why it is taking only acquisition? Go to the netbook value, drag it to the downside. Through GL account, it is not taking. Okay, don't worry. So, I mean, just try with your system, okay, all of you, and it should be added. Okay, why it is showing the 2,500 rupees and 50,000 rupees, and why it is not showing the minimums? Okay, no issue. Don't worry. Why? Because you see some of the things. I think so. Planned depreciation things is not there. Okay, good. So yeah, give /n, ma'am. No issue. Don't worry. See, if it is not added, there is no issue. Okay, we can able to post the new values. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to settle the process. Okay. To the main things. Okay. So. Okay, what we need to do is go to the document, ma'am. Why it is not adding to the particular thing? Go to the Word document. Okay, so we need to define the standard settlement profile using transaction code OK07. Okay, so go to the transaction code OK07, ma'am. Right, it's not adding. OK07, ma'am. So in this settlement profile processes and all, okay, you can just see there is AI. So do we have AI? So that is standard settlement process for the asset under construction. Okay, so that is the main important thing right now we have. And to be settled in a full, ma'am, can you double click on this thing? Can you double click on this thing? Yes. See here, to be settled in a full settlement process for the particular thing. Okay. And at the same time, you can just observe GL accounts. So settlement not allowed for the GL accounts. Settlement, see, if you want to allow for the all the valid users and all, you can able to do it with the valid receivers. Okay, and the document type is asset postings. Okay, and maximum numbers of distances results of the triple name, and allocation structure is a CO allocation structures and all. Okay, AOC CO allocations, and default object type is a fixed assets. Okay, so residence time periods is at 12 months. Okay, everything is settlement profile of the AI. Just take out the standard settlement profile, that is AI in your real time. See, that is your choice, all of you. If you want to do the new entries, you can able to do it. Okay, that is your choice. Okay, so the next one is we need to I mean, if you want to change the settlement profile to the each and everything, you can able to do it. Okay, so that is very important for the main asset settlement process for the particular thing. Okay, so what we need to do is, ma'am, can you go to the STRO reference IMG, and we need to assign the settlement profile to our company code. Okay, or else you do one thing, ma'am, go to the transaction code OAAZ code OAAZ, and go to the position and give your company code. Go to the position and give your company code DUR1 and give your settlement profile is AI. AI. Okay, click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, good. So we can definitely able to do the settlement profile process for the particular things and all. Okay, and at the same time, all of you, I mean, to settle the each and every settlement process profiles and all, we need to have controlling areas and all. Okay, so maintain controlling number ranges and all. Now it is not at all important. Okay, why? Because I think so. For the particular thing or for the particular any versions and all, we no need to take any risk. Okay, why? Because after this thing only we can able to do the controlling processes and all. Okay, there is no issue. But the thing is that if they ask you the questions, I mean, if they ask you the basic errors on the particular things, automatically you need to go back to this controlling area and you need to verify with the controlling area with the company codes and all, and you just need to do it. Okay, that is the very important thing. Okay, so now what we need to do, so we need to settle the process, right? Settlement of asset under construction is a AIAB transaction code. Go to the transaction code AIAB, ma'am. Go to the transaction code AIAB. Go to the transaction code AIAB. Go to the transaction code AIAB. Okay, so can you take out the assets? So in this assets, whatever the things that we have been taken, okay, so all will be coming into the picture in transaction code AAB. Can you take out the asset under construction, ma'am? Once again, yes. Then you go to the execute option. Go to the execute option, no issue. So see, now it is taking. See, in the AW01, and I think so, some of the, it is a offline server, right? So it is not taking, I mean, fastly it is not taking. So now it is taking. Okay, see, for the 01.07.2023, total 1,02,500 rupees is the main important thing. Document number is also there. Why this status is in a red color mark? Okay, so I mean, it is not in a position to convert to the main assets. Okay, and it is not in a position to transfer these values to the main assets. For this thing, what we need to do, ma'am, can you select this thing, ma'am? After the left side status button, there is a small button. Select all these things. Select all these things. So there is a select options. Okay, so now what we need to do is, all of you, it is in a red color mode, and until it is in a, unless it is in a green color mode, okay, we cannot do the transactions. For that thing, what we need to do, so we need to select all these things, and after that we need to settle the process to the main assets things. How we can able to settle? There is a settlement option. Okay, so go to the settlement options, ma'am. Or else you do one thing, ma'am. No. Come back. Come back. Go to the transaction code AAB. We need to enter the values. Okay, to enter the values, click on the go to the execute option and select all these things, ma'am. Go to the enter option. There is an enter option. Okay, we cannot settle until we cannot enter the cost accounting is not active for company code. Again, it is a one more option. And again, it is a one important thing right now we have. What we need to do is, so we should take out the new, we should take out the new things. See, definitely it will going to ask you the controlling area. Why? Because we haven't completed the controlling area things and all, right? Okay, you do one thing, ma'am. Take out the new session and go to the SPR reference IMG. See, we can't do anything. Reference IMG, enterprise structure, assignment, enterprise structure, assignment, enterprise structure, assignment, controlling, or else go to the definition, ma'am. You do one thing, go to the definition, go to the controlling, maintain controlling area, copy, delete, check controlling area. Yes. Copy. Go to the copy. Yes, continue. Come back. Continue. Come back. One step back. Maintain controlling area. Yes. And go to the new address. Go up, ma'am. Go to the new address. Go to the new address. And give the controlling area, ma'am. Same thing. DUR1. Give the controlling area DUR1. Yes. And the name is controlling area. No, company code is equal to controlling area. Controlling area 1. Person responsible. And the assignment controlling is controlling area as company code. Yes. Click on the enter, ma'am. Automatically currency will come. Give the currency type. Company code currency is 10. Okay, good. Then currency INR. Okay, all will come, right? And yes, click on the enter, go to the save button and save it, ma'am. Go to the save button and save it. Yes, come back. Come back. You have created it. Yes. Remove this thing. Go to the assignments. Assign company code to controlling area. Give your controlling area. Select this thing. Assignment of company code. Go to the new address now. Give the company code. Click on the enter. Go to the save button and save it. Now you can just come back to this thing. AAB transaction code. Give slash n. No. Give slash n only. AAB transaction code. Generally, it is asking for the thing. Why? Because it is a settlement profiles, right? And go to the continue option. Select all these things and go to the enter option. Now it is not asking any category. Any things, right? So for this thing, what we need to do is take out the category, ma'am. Category as a fixed assets. I think so. Fixed assets. Go to the double click. Ma'am, here go to the drop down option. No. Go to the drop down option in the category. Yes. Take out the FXA and take out the settlement receiver. Who is the settlement receiver? You have created the one plant 3, right? Machinery plant, machinery 3, right? Take out that thing. How much you want to settle? Is it related to 50%? Is it related to 100%? Okay, what is your choice? So that is 100%. Give 100%. Okay, click on the enter now. I think so. Control indicators for controlling area. Oh, no controlling indicators. Can you maximize it, ma'am? I think it is not getting clear picture. Check your entries and define controlling indicator. What we need to do for this thing? We need to activate these components, right? So remove this thing, ma'am. And again, we need to go back to these things. Remove this thing. Give slash in. Go to the transaction code OKKP. Go to the transaction code OKKP. OKKP. And we need to activate the components for the fiscal years. OKKP. OKKP. Give slash in. OKKP. Give slash in. OKKP. P. So what we need to do is active components, go to the position and give you a controlling area. Go to the position, go to the active components for controlling indicators. Yes. And go to the new entries. And the year is, fiscal year is 2023. Click on the cost center. Not active. Component cost center is active. Just please put on the active. Go to the dividend and set it. Activate accounting type. Yes. Just activate type. Activate accounting type. Go to the dividend and set it. Assignments of company codes. Double click on this assignments of company codes now. Once again. Now it is fine. Give slash in. Go to the transaction code AAB. Give slash in. Go to the transaction code AAB. Click on the enter. Select these things. Go to the enter option and give the category as fixed assets. Workbench breakdown structures. I will going to tell you all of you. Just do with fixed assets and all. Settlement receiver is plant and machinery 3 and 100%. Click on the enter. Now it is fine, right? So controlling indicators has been popped up. Okay, so what we need to do? So come back, ma'am. One step back. One step back. Now it is in a green color mode, right? And we can able to settle the periods. Okay, that is our choice, all of you. So to settle each and everything for the settlement receiver, okay, from the asset under construction, plant and machinery. Okay, so that is very, very important and we need to settle the process. And can you go to the settlement, ma'am? Yes. So it will be redirected to the, AABU, that is Asset Under Construction Settlements Distributions Rules. And we need to save the rules first, right? So for that thing, asset value date. Can you give the asset value date, ma'am? What is the asset value date? No, no, no. Asset value date. No, no, no. This asset value date is for the this thing, right? 10.07.2023. 10.07.2023. Why? Because that asset capitalization date is 10.07.2023, right? And the text is asset under construction. Can you write down the text that is asset under construction? I think so everything is perfect, and remove the test run. No? Remove the test run. And give the document type, ma'am, AA. Give the document type AA. Click on the enter, ma'am. Now it is fine, right? Now can you execute it, ma'am? Just execute it. Define a number range for settlement documents, sir. Okay, good. And what is the number range for the settlement document? Can you go to the OBA7, ma'am? I think so. AA is the settlement document, right? AA. I think so. For that thing, double click on this thing, ma'am. Yes, go to the number range information. Go to give the company code. Go to the intervals. Edit intervals. 0 is there, right? Accounting document. Do we have any settlement document? Come down. No. Okay, maintain number ranges for settlement documents. Go to that thing. Yes, go to the maintain number ranges for settlement documents. Okay, it is asking for the CO object, right? Go to the groups, ma'am. Go to the groups. Number range for settlement orders is RRR. Select the number ranges for settlement. Assign element group. Select that element, ma'am. Okay. Standard accounting document. It is 01. Select that thing. Assign it. Please select the element first. Select all these elements, ma'am. Select all these elements. No, no, no. Select all these elements. No, no, no. Go up. Number range elements. No, no, no. Here only. Select a number ranges for settlement of order. Go to the elements and groups, assign it. Select this DUR1. Go to the assign it. Select elements, go to that elements. Select all these things, no issue. Assign it. Please select only one group for the assignments. Okay, select one group, number of assignments, remove all these things. Okay, then next one, select number range for settlement ATNS. Select this thing also now. Go to the element, select that thing, element and group. Go to the separate and save it. Okay, come back. One step back. One step back. One step back. No, no, no. One step back. No issue. And if it throws any error, we can able to do it. Just cancel this thing. Remove this thing. That's it. And yes, give the transaction code AIAB. Click on the enter. Execute it. Okay, now do the settlement. And give the asset value date. Next. And remove the tester and execute. Give the document type AA. You remove the tester and go to the execute. Okay, so this line item settlement has been adjusted to the one record, right? So that is the main important point that we have the important an asset transaction posted with the document number. What is the document number? That is 17. Okay, so that is the very important point right now we have. Okay, and what we need to do is, so the settlement process is in ABU transaction. Okay, so that is the very important point right now we have. And can you take out the document number now? Go to the Word document, just give the asset under construction document number is how much? That is 17. That is 17, right? Take out the document number. Go to the document number, I mean this document, and just give that document number. Asset under construction document is 17. Okay. Now go to that AW01N transaction code. No? Go to that AW01. Take out the new screen. Take out Take out the new screen. Take out the new screen. Yes, give /n and go to the transaction code AW01N. Okay, see all of you. 1,02,500 rupees line item settlement has been transferred to the current year acquisitions asset under constructions. What is that current year settlement receiver? Take out the asset, ma'am, that asset, plant and machinery 3. Go up. Yes, take out that asset. Click on the enter. See all of you. 1,02,500 rupees. 3,725 rupees depreciation has been posted for the particular year. Can you go to the posted values? So this is the way you can able to do all these things, all of you. And 1596. What you need to do is now go to the transaction code AFAB, new selection. Go to the transaction code AFAB. For the 7th period, we can able to post it. But the thing is that we are doing the different dates formats, right? So that is why it is posting to the each and every period. Okay. And unplanned post instance and take out that thing and go to the execute option. Yes. Now 3,720 for that 3,720 total rupees, and we do have the 1,596 rupees is the depreciation values. Okay, so come back, ma'am. So for that particular month, I mean July month, how much it has been calculated? Remove the test run and remove this thing and go to the execute option. I mean background and execute option, and you can able to post the depreciation. Okay, go to the program. Go to the program. Yes. Go to the program and execute in background. Give the output device and go to the continue option. Yes, continue and immediate and check and save it. So this run has been posted. Now go to that AW01N now. No need to worry. Go to the transaction AW01N. So can you refresh it? See, this depreciation has been posted. Open this depreciation now. Posted depreciation set now. Open this posted depreciation. This document has been posted with 1,596 rupees, all of you. Just try to remember the point. And this is the way you can able to do the asset under construction settlement process things and all.